Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Le Creuset Knobs is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any serious home chef, transforming your beloved Dutch oven into a more functional and aesthetically pleasing centerpiece that elevates your cooking experience and adds a touch of personal style to your kitchen. Number 5. Le Creuset Signature Stainless Steel Knob. Introducing the Le Creuset Signature Stainless Steel Knob. This essential accessory is designed to enhance your cooking experience. Worry-free cooking is now possible. It is safe to use at any oven temperature, giving you complete flexibility in the kitchen. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting durability and a sleek finish. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze. It is completely dishwasher safe for your convenience. Designed with an ergonomic shape, it provides an easy and comfortable grip for handling lids. What we like. This knob is safe at any oven temperature and made of durable stainless steel. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you need a reliable, easy-to-maintain replacement that can handle high heat, this is a great choice. What people say. The knob is a perfect fit for my Le Creuset pot. It's made of durable material and feels solid. The design is classic and matches my cookware. Number 4. HUASAI Stainless Steel Replacement Handle for Dutch Ovens. This metal replacement knob is essential for sourdough enthusiasts and is 100% oven safe. You can safely bake bread or roast chickens at high temperatures without fear of damage. It is designed to be a versatile replacement part compatible with most enameled cast iron Dutch ovens. Please measure your original lid hole before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. Its ergonomic design features high clearance, allowing your fingers to fit easily underneath. This provides a confident grip for lifting lids, even while wearing bulky oven mitts. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, this knob is rust-proof, corrosion-resistant, and dishwasher-safe. It will not tarnish over time, keeping your cookware looking hygienic. The sleek, mirror-polished silver finish adds a modern, high-end touch to any pot. It's the perfect budget-friendly solution to repair a broken handle or upgrade its appearance. No special tools are needed for installation. Simply unscrew the old handle and tighten the new one in seconds. This simple DIY fix saves you the cost of replacing your entire Dutch oven. It includes a premium stainless steel screw and washer, ensuring only food-grade materials are exposed. The added silicone gasket creates a tight seal, locking in moisture and protecting your lid. What we like. Unlock high-heat baking up to 500° F+ with this oven-safe metal replacement. It offers wide compatibility with many brands and a secure grip even with oven mitts. If you're a sourdough enthusiast or often bake at high temperatures, this is the perfect upgrade for your cookware. What people say. These knobs are a perfect fit and look great on my Le Creuset pots. They are very sturdy and feel high quality, making it easy to lift the lids even when they are hot. The design is classic and matches the Le Creuset aesthetic perfectly. Number 3. Dutch Oven Lid Handle Replacement Knob. This replacement knob is designed to fit a variety of cookware lids, including those from popular brands like Le Creuset, Lodge, and Aldi. It's perfect for your kettles, oil pots, frying pans, and kitchen pots. Crafted from durable bakelite, this knob offers excellent heat resistance and insulation. It can safely handle high oven temperatures and is even dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Replacing your old knob is a breeze. Simply align the knob, rubber gasket, and metal gasket, then tighten with the screw. You'll have it installed in just a few minutes. Its ergonomic shape ensures a comfortable grip, protecting your fingers from heat. The smooth finish guarantees no sharp edges, making it safe and pleasant to use. This versatile replacement knob is compatible with any lid featuring a 6mm mounting hole. It's a perfect fit for most of your cookware needs. What we like. This knob is made of high-quality, heat-resistant bakelite for excellent insulation. Its humanized design provides a comfortable grip, protecting your fingers. If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-install option with good heat protection and a comfortable feel, this is a solid pick. What people say. The knob fits perfectly on my Le Creuset pot lid. It's a genuine Le Creuset part, so the quality is excellent. The knob is oven safe, which is a great feature for braising dishes. Number 2. Stainless steel Dutch oven knob replacement. Tired of a broken lid knob? This replacement is designed to fit a wide range of Dutch ovens, including popular brands like Creuset, Aldi, and Lodge. It's also perfect for any lid with a 6mm screw hole. Crafted from high-quality, thickened stainless steel, this knob is built to last. It's safe to use at most oven temperatures, ensuring reliability for all your cooking needs. Replacing your old knob is a breeze. It's designed for 6mm lid mounting holes. Simply align the knob, rubber gasket, and metal gasket, then tighten with the included screw. Keep your kitchenware pristine with minimal effort. This knob is incredibly easy to clean and is even machine washable for your convenience. Everything you need is included in the package. You'll receive one stainless steel knob, one screw, one rubber gasket, and one metal gasket for a complete and hassle-free replacement. What we like? Crafted from high-quality, thickened stainless steel, this knob is safe at most oven temperatures and easy to clean. It comes with all necessary gaskets for installation. If you prefer a durable stainless steel option that's simple to maintain and install, this frosted finish knob is an excellent selection. What people say. These knobs are a perfect fit for my Creuset pots and pans. They are made of durable material and can withstand high temperatures. The design is classic and elegant, adding a touch of style to my kitchen. Number 1. Dutch oven knob replacement for Creuset, Lodge, Aldi. Is your favorite pot lid missing its handle? This replacement knob is designed to fit a variety of Dutch ovens, including popular brands like Creuset, Lodge, and Aldi. Crafted from high-quality Bakelite, this handle replacement is built to last. It's durable, rust-resistant, and can withstand temperatures up to 150 degrees Celsius, making it safe for oven use. Replacing your old knob is a breeze. With just a few simple steps, you can easily attach the new knob, silicone pad, and metal gasket in minutes. Each package comes with everything you need: a Bakelite knob, screws, a silicone pad, and a stainless steel pad. You'll have a complete set ready for installation. We want you to be completely satisfied. Please check the dimensions to ensure a perfect fit for your cookware. If you have any questions, our customer service is here to help. Cleaning up is easy as this replacement knob is dishwasher safe. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance after cooking your favorite meals. What we like? This replacement handle is made from durable, heat-resistant Bakelite, safe for most oven temperatures. The package includes all necessary parts for easy installation in minutes. If you need a complete, budget-friendly kit to quickly replace a broken or worn-out knob, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The knobs are a perfect fit for my Creuset pot lids. They are sturdy and feel high quality, making it easy to lift the hot lids. The design matches the Creuset cookware perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.